Hey kids, look at all these animals. Let's learn their names together. Baby lion. Are you my mommy? Are you my mommy? Bluefish. Are you my mommy? Are you my mommy? Baby duck. Are you my mommy? Are you my mommy? Cheetah. Baby whale. Blue shark. Horse. Octopus. Crocodile. Red spider. Giraffe. Elephant. Pelican. Camel. Snake. Whale. Cow. Cuttlefish. Seal. Turtle. Pig.
Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with
Zebra.
me?
Green frog.
A, B, C, D,
Dog.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Seal.
W, X, Y,
Penguin.
and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing
Walrus.
with me?
Ant. Scorpion.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Spider.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
Shark.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Hippo.
Y, and Z. Now I know
Monkey.
my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Lobster. Crab. Orange fish.
Bye-bye.
Hit the red button to subscribe for more awesome